Good day, friends. My friend is generous enough to let me do the unboxing of his recent purchase. My friend bought this few days ago at Viper Act via online purchase. This is the 2023 released version of FC. M249. SAL. Para version. FC stands for Fire Cow, the brand name of the manufacturer. SAL stands for Squad Automatic Weapon. Para, short for Paratrooper version. There's an airsoft version made by different companies such as GNP, Ares, ANK for some time now. I'm taking the muzzle out of the black box. Nylon body, but with metallic 14mm reverse thread. Definitely nylon. 2 metal locking pins to keep the retractable stock in place with the main body. Heavy retractable stock. Metal. Definitely nylon. Nylon. Okay, time to pull out the gel blaster. Wow, a bit heavy compared to other gel blasters. It's 4.7 kilograms minus the battery, as per online specification and description. Okay, time to connect this heavy retractable stock. A bit tricky. There you go. 2 locking pins coming up. This is very good. Locking pins with nuts. Brilliant. Easy peasy. Very easy. Alloy. Inner barrel. That's good. There's enough space to put in hop-up inside the muzzle. 18mm reverse thread. The muzzle just got in easily without any issues. Time to pull out the bipod. The carrying handle is snugly secured by a spring to keep it tight from the curved metal rod. Plastic or nylon iron sight. Gas cylinder assembly is metal. Bipod is definitely metal. Heat shield is nylon. Carrying handle rod is metal. Definitely metal. Receiver assembly is nylon. Cover and feet assembly is nylon. Solid retractable rods attached to stock is metal and secured in place by hard nylon. A bit wobbly. Impressive. Easy to pull. Sweet. Easy to push back. Push forward. And pull back the stock easy peasy. The downside is, it is wobbly, but it appears to be solidly secured in place to the main body receiver. feed tray can be accessible. Okay, time to get the box mag. This box mag reportedly can accommodate 1,000 gel balls. But at the moment, I'm just going to put some handful of gel balls. There's some feedback from other gel blaster players who own this kind of gel blaster that the recommended gel ball size should be below 7.4 millimeters, otherwise it will misfeed. But before putting up the box mag, I need to put my 11.1 volt battery with mini Tamiya connector in the battery compartment. The battery compartment is located under the handguard assembly. A bit of struggle in taking off the battery cover. 11.1 volt battery with mini Tamiya connector coming up. Alright, time to connect the box mag. Initially, I thought the gel balls will come out from the connector of the box mag going into the feeding tray of this M249. It's actually the connector to power up the motor inside the box mag. The cocking handle of this M249, which is located at the right side, serves as priming handle for gel balls to load up from box mag into the T-piece of this gel blaster. Let's put a short belt of dummy rounds to make it cool. Let's open the cover assembly to check out what's inside. Nylon gearbox. Cocking handle to prime up the gel ball rounds from the box mag. It's got a blowback feature. Impressive. Okay, time to install the dummy rounds. Test fire time. Sweet. Solid blowback. I love it. Okay guys, once again, this is the FCM 249 Para version Gel Blaster 2023 released version.